Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix black screen on a JVC TV. I will share two methods on how to fix black screen. The first one is easy one. Try this before doing anything. Unplug the TV from the wall socket. Then press and hold the power button on the TV for 15 seconds. Don't release it before 15 seconds. Then release it. Now plug back the TV again and check it. If it is working, then good. If unfortunately this doesn't work, then move to the next step. So first of all, we will perform a flashlight test for black screen. You need a torch or a phone light. Power on the TV and focus the light on your TV screen. If you see the display under the screen by focusing light on the TV, then you have backlight problem. Now how to fix this? First of all, open the back cover of your TV. Then remove all the T-cone and LVDS cables. Then turn the TV and remove its front bezel. Then panel, then reflecting sheets till your LED lights become visible. Now take a backlight tester and check the strips one by one. If one or more LED is not glowing, then backlight strips are faulty. Now take the new ones, check them like this. It's all lights should glow. Now replace them with the old ones. After installing the new lights, turn the TV on to check whether these work or not. You are watching, our lights are now working. Now assemble back the TV in the same process as we have opened it. Install the reflecting sheets, then plastic fitting of panel, then panel and then the front bezel. Now connect all the cables and install all the screws. Put your TV back cover on, install all the screws, turn the TV and check it. You are watching, black screen problem has been fixed. I hope this video helps. Kindly leave a like, subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon. Thanks for watching and goodbye.